The point R is the reflection of the point minus 1, comma 3 in the line 3y plus 2x equals to 33. Find by calculation the coordinates of R. Now let me make a rough sketch so that you can have a better perception of it. 3y plus 2x is equal to 33. So if I make y the subject, the equation comes out to be minus 2x over 3 plus 33 over 3 is 11. So it has a decreasing slope. So now we know that it has a decreasing slope. I can make this line. Point R is somewhere, we don't know. So point R is the reflection of the point minus 1, comma 3. So let me make this point as minus 1, comma 3. Now there's a point R which is a reflection of this point in the line, in this line. So this line serves as a mirror, and since it's a reflection, so the distance between the line and the point is same as saying the distance between the line and the point R. So basically this is our midpoint. Let's call the R coordinates as x comma y because we need to evaluate them, and the line has a gradient of minus 2 over 3. So the gradient of this perpendicular line will be 3 over 2. And with the help of the gradient and the point minus 1, comma 3, I can form the equation of this perpendicular line. Which will be y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, and simplifying this I get the equation of my perpendicular or normal to be 3x equals to 2y minus 9. That's the equation of normal, or you can say perpendicular. Now equation of the line is already provided to us, which is 3y plus 2x equals to 33. So if I solve these two equations simultaneously, I'll get the intersection point, which in our case is M, and solving them simultaneously I get M as 3, 9. Now M is also the midpoint of the point and R. Therefore 3, let me change the color. So 3 is basically equal to minus 1 plus x over 2, and 9 is equal to 3 plus y upon 2. So the x value comes out to be 7 and the y value comes out to be 15. Therefore the coordinates of R are 7, 15.